Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me just fix this camera. Okay. So, welcome to my English speaking practice. I wanted to learn English, that's why I took this challenge. So, today we are going to talk about let's not freak about future. And why I'm saying that future is just so normal. It's damn normal. Future is like it is my future. When I was younger, okay. When I was younger, I used to freak about my future. That how will I manage when I turn this age, or maybe how will I manage when I turn this age? Oh, this feels so terrific. This age is. I will also turn this age. What if I won't be successful at that age? How will I think? Like, I used to many contemplate about future, and there are many people who are like this, who contemplate a lot about future. How will they manage? How will the life be after this age, and how will our future be when I am in this future? It feels normal. Future is so normal, like past. When I used to think, I used to contemplate, I used to freak about this moment, it is as general as that. Like now, also, I am freaking about the future. What if I won't get successful? It will be so normal like this. If I want to do something, I will get to do. This is the future I'm right now. And this is what my past was. If I want to do study, I was studying. If I want to play something, I was playing. If I want to, like, it is as similar as past was. So why to freak out about when it is so similar with the present? I mean, I just want to tell you, stop being worried about the future. It is going to be the same, and if you are working for it, obviously go ahead, keep working. You are going to see the results, because I was working for English speaking and I'm seeing the results right now. Fantastically. Fantastically. And I was studying also, so I got good marks. So I saw the results. So if you work for future, not just worry for future. Stop worrying for future. Future is a myth. Actually, future is a I don't know what to call it. It's just a thought that future. There is nothing like future. It feels so normal like present. And this is the future. I read somewhere, this is the future we were freaking about. And it's so normal. So stop freaking about it. And if something I want to add here is, I'm not saying that you should not work for future. Of course, you should. If you want work for future can be some down level. It can be. So just work for it, but sufficiently. Don't overforce things on yourself that I have to study, I have to work. Because general people like me, don't perform best under pressure. When they are under pressure, I perform. Sorry for the disturbance. I don't put edits generally on my videos, because this is my practice session, and I don't want to put cuts here, because if I'm speaking generally, I won't be able to put cuts. So that is why I just try to handle the hesitation and the fumbleness I do, and how will I get at the normal general situation. It's windy weather right now, so that's why I never put cut. But yeah, I was saying, keep on working for future to see the better and the brightest results for yourself. And that's what I'm working. And let's see what the power this consistency holds because I am being pretty consistent over my channel. Oh my god, this wind is literally, my camera is shivering. And okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you've gotten something new. I will see you in my next video.